Hey guys, we received these Joydeco black curtain rods for windows 32 to 120 inches, 1 inch diameter heavy duty curtain rods for test and try. As you can see, comes in this nice pack, and let me just open this up, and you can see is a black rod with a nice premium material. So it's a heavy duty which can hold up to 50 lbs with a 1 inch diameter. So these are the final for the side, very like heavy duty heavy ones. And then this is the outer diameter is 1 inches with a smoothness seamless and really nice or easy to install with these nice hooks. You can see the quality wise, and the screws and everything are provided with the rigid and corrosion resistant material, adjustable bracket. So there you can also extend this with these rods, and you can see like you can lock, and this can go inside and out with this vinyl on the top. You can easily put this, so protective covering, just remove this and then you can put it here on the sides. So they are really nice elegant looking curtain rods and finals, and the side bars, and you can easily add the this with the twisting with each other and then making it a long rod. So there is really a nice rod, and while after putting you can see this looks really good here, and yeah, also have a sturdy look and nice clean look after install. So they are really good and nice, very nice quality, heavy duty. For the sides also you can see like the buckles and stuff with this nice holding hooks. So overall these are the nice curtain rod and nice quality as well with the nice thing. So nice curtain rods.